Hey, what's up guys? I'm super excited to share this topic with you guys on rejection. In this episode, I will suggest you 3 ways of coping with and controlling rejection. Rejection is very painful. Whether you are looking for a job, a sale or even a date, rejection sucks, and nobody likes it. When it happens to them, well, here's a reality check. Rejection is a part of everyone's life. Trying to go through life experiencing rejection is an unrealistic goal. I know it's painful that we have to deal with rejection, however, suffering because of rejection is an option. These 3 ways I have used to deal with the inexorable rejection that I have faced doing a sales job for over 4 years, where success in that sales job is having a 15 to 20% closing percentage. That means me and a third colleague suffering with being rejected about 80% of the time. So you can imagine I'm familiar to the scary word of no. Number 1, takeaway. Treat your rejection percentage as math despite of who you are or what your goal is. Being rejected is inevitable, so treat the rejection ratio or percentage simply as math. Don't take it personal or get emotional over it. Keep moving forward until you get to your yes. Number 2, takeaway. Have the correct mindset. Author Mark Manson's best-selling book, The Subtle Art of Not Giving Up, has done wonders for people who suffering from rejection. Have a mindset where you don't care about the results, however, have a possibility where yes, you don't care, but still you do try your 100% to succeed. So whether you are trying to land a new job or a new date, give it your full so. Even if it's not a success, you could sleep well at night knowing that you gave it your all efforts. In the last takeaway. Number 3, takeaway. Expand your goal portfolio. Basically, you need to create a variety of goals. Let's say you have a sales job and your only goals in life are fixed up to your job. Well, when the inexorable rejection occurs, it negatively can play with your emotions if you allow it. You can easily go from feeling like a winner to feeling like a loser when your focus is on one type of goal. Have a variety of goals, and it's up to you to decide. They give you job goals, health goals, family goals, hobby goals, etc. A variety of goals can keep your spirits up, so when you're experiencing rejection from any type of goal, you can say, well, at least I've been accomplishing other goals at this moment. A variety of goals can help you to maintain your mindset of an achiever and of a winner, which can help you easily cope with and control the negative feelings that come along with feeling rejected. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button and don't forget subscribe to my channel.